Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a cute snowman. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artist, let's start this picture of a cute snowman, and I want to try to keep this simple for little artists, so I hope you like this lesson. Let's start in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is the nose, and we're gonna start with a triangle shape that goes up and down just like that. It's kind of like an A shape, and we're gonna close the bottom with a curve, and we're gonna leave it like that. And now we're gonna do eyes, so I want to leave a finger space, and I'm gonna do the first oval shape here for the eyes. And then I want to leave another finger space and do a second one. Okay, now to make this snowman look cute, we're going to do some highlights on the eye this time. And we're going to do a circle right next to the right side on the eye. And the same here. And we're going to do a second one. This one is going to be smaller. I'm using the tip of the marker to make this circle. And now we can color the eye around these two with black. The next thing we're going to do is the mouth. So we're going to do the shape of little rocks that go around. And we're going to start here going like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect circles because the rocks are not perfect. And we're going to just go around. And my lines are wiggling a little like this. And it can be even different sizes. And now we're going to color these ones with black. And to make more happy this snowman, we're gonna do eyebrows, and the eyebrows are gonna be two rectangle shapes here on the top. So we're gonna do one here on the top of the eye, and the other one the same. And these rectangles are pointing a little bit up; they're a little sideways. Now we're gonna trace his toque, and it's gonna go over. We're gonna put two fingers, and we're gonna put a little dot here. Now the same here, I want to put two fingers next to the snowman, and I want to put a little dot. Okay, so I'm leaving the dots right next to the eyes. Now we're going to trace the toque doing a curved shape that goes over all these shapes we just did, and I want to try to connect with the dot. Okay, now let's do the top of the hat or the toque, and we're going to do a curve that goes up. Curve goes up, and we're gonna connect those two lines with another curve like that. On top of this, we're gonna do one more curve that is gonna go up and curve, and it's not very big, and connect right here. And we're gonna do the pom-pom of the hat, and we're just gonna do a line that moves a little. Is wiggling a little to make it look like fuzzy. And the very last thing we're gonna do for the hat, I'm gonna do kind of like dot lines, okay? And I'm gonna go up and down with these lines, kind of like to make it look like they are with thread in there. And I'm just doing triangles that go up and down until I get to the other side. There. Now we can close the face, and we're gonna go from side to side. I can still see the little dots that I did for the toque, and I'm just gonna go around the mouth, going super slow, and come back up. Now let's do the scarf he's wearing. So I'm gonna start on the right side of the face, and we're gonna do one and two lines, and these lines are diagonal. And at the end, I'm gonna do kind of like little squares that go up and down, or rectangle shapes like this. Now let's go to the left side, and we're gonna do a curve. And I wanna connect this one here with this curve. And we're gonna do one more of these flaps here underneath. So I'm gonna go down, and I wanna start doing the same shapes, kind of like little rectangle shapes that go here. Next, we're gonna do the body, and for the body, it's gonna be like a Y letter U that goes from the scarf to this side. It's gonna look like this. I'm going down, and I wanna start curve and come back up. Next, we're gonna do his arms, and we're gonna put little squares, little rectangle shapes right here. One, and another rectangle shape here, two. And from here, we're gonna do the mittens. So I wanna start with a curve and come back. And we're gonna do one more curve. And I wanna connect with the rectangle shape. Now let's do it again. Let's do a curve and a bigger curve that connects with the rectangle shape. And there, that's it. We finished this little snowman. He is looking super cute. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors. I think it looks super cute. I just choose two tones of blue. One is a little lighter than the other one. And I use this one to give some shadows here, some shade for the snow, and it makes it look a little bit more brighter. I also choose a kind of color green for the mittens and a little bit of orange for the nose. You can change the colors of your snowman. Remember, you can add way more details on the background also. I just add a little bit of blue here on the bottom, but you guys can change all of this. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.